So let's go through the ingredients. Okay, this is very, very important. You see this one right here, it's called akpi. I don't know the name in English. In Cameroon we call it jansa. It's very nice. And here we have our white pepper. We are going to toast all this. Right here we have some black pepper, and here we have our country onion. You guys, I will try to google it and write the names in English. We have our African nutmeg. Let's look at the wet ingredients. Here we have celery, basilic, ginger, garlic, bell peppers, onion, and tomato. The tomato is optional. Yeah, so this is everything you need for your sauce. So first I'm going to fry this. When you fry this, it releases a very nice flavor. So I'll fry this and I'll blend everything together for the sauce. This right here is the tilapia I'm about to roast. You guys, I left this in salt water all night. You know why? Because it's going to penetrate the fish and it will make it very sweet. Because some of the nuts are very, very hard, make sure you break it down like this before blending. Time to cook our marinade. We're going to boil this on low heat. I'll add in the spices and massage everything in. Marinating like this, we are going to let this sit for at least 1 hour, and later we can go ahead and grill. and you grill on low heat. I'm serving my fish with some plantain tape. Let me quickly show you guys how it's done. It's very nice. You can do it with unripe or ripe plantains, but I prefer the crunchiness of the unripe plantain. That's why I'm using unripe. I actually have a lot of ripe plantains, but the unripe plantain is better. So I'm going to cut this into 3. Just like this. And right now I'll go ahead and deep fry these plantains, and you'll see what I'll do next. It's very nice. So after deep frying the plantains, I'm going to take it out and smash it. You can do this called plantain tape. You need to smash plantains, I think. Just like this. And we are going to add in some of the fish spices. Now we will fry for the second time. I want to make a very quick salad. It's called tabuli. It's a Lebanese salad, and made from parsley, tomatoes, and onion, lemon and mint. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and cut everything. This reminds me of Cameroon a lot. This is a very common street food you see in the streets of Cameroon. Like poisson braisé is everywhere. Let's give the fish a try. The moistness. I like it. Like is an understatement. I love it, you guys. It's so yummy. And we are stepping this down with tabuli. Wow. This salad is very, very refreshing. Every time I'm eating something that is a bit oily, I usually make this salad because it washes down the oil and it's so refreshing. It's so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.
For your organic products, contact +228 981 57975 or +228 996 60402.